Nobody wants to be caught off guard by an unexpected breakdown or large repair bill, but it does happen.
Super glad we could get this taken care of for you today. How are you going to pay for it?
At Ryan Chevrolet, we understand, and that's why we are happy to have Sunbit. Sunbit technology allows you to get the parts and service you need today, and then pay over time with a 3, 6, or 12-month loan option. Sunbit's fast and easy application process can be done on the spot. All it takes is a state-issued ID, a little personal info, and a debit card. Usually, you'll know if you're approved in less than a minute. And here are some fun facts. Sunbit approval rates are likely among the highest in the industry at 90%. There is no hard credit check, and there are no fees or penalties. Sunbit is about removing the stress from a stressful situation. There are no awkward conversations, no hassle at the time of payment, just great experiences for everyone. So the next time your service advisor says this,
were you going to pay with cash or card?
don't panic. Ask about Sunbit, the buy now, pay over time flexible payment option available at Ryan Chevrolet.